Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I have come with another nail art series, and this series called One Color Nail Art series. In this series I will do nail art revolving 10 colors, and today I am starting with purple color. For purple I choose unicorn nail art. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. So as usual, I have started with base coat, and after base coat I am applying 2 coats of purple nail polish. Now I am applying lilac purple on the other half side of my nail to do ombre with 2 different types of purple. I am doing ombre with a tiny piece of my old makeup sponge because I have run out of my nail art sponge. And after ombre I am applying a top coat to smooth the surface. When my top coat dries out completely, I have applied a mirror chrome powder on my nails. Now let me tell you one easy way to apply mirror chrome powder. First, take a generous amount of chrome powder on applicator and rub the powder on top of a clear jelly stamper with help of the applicator. Now gently rub the stamper on your nails and slightly rub it. Trust me, it will give you a mirror effect with less mess. After that, seal the chrome powder with a water-based top coat. Also make sure that your nail polish is 98% dried before you apply mirror powder on your nails. Otherwise, it will cause wrinkle on your nail polish which doesn't look good. Now I'm going to do stamping nail art with Born Pretty Unicorn vs Rainbow World stamping plate. I was having trouble to fill up all the details on camera because this image is so tiny, that's why I did it off camera. I fill up the image with all those colors which you just saw on the screen few moments ago. Also, I have added some glitter polish on top of the unicorn hair and unicorn horn. So I tried to stamp this image on my nail, but my base was fully dried, that's why it didn't stamp properly. So I did it off camera and add some rhinestones and beads. I have another video on how to place rhinestone and beads on nails. Don't forget to check out that one. Video link in the description box. And finish with a glossy top coat. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next week with another color.